Hello everyone, my name is Talisha and I also go by CreativiTeeByT here on YouTube and on Instagram, and welcome to my second episode of Friday Sews. So to start, the sewing project that I completed this week is my very first entry for the Sew Maxi for Mother's Day challenge. And not only is it my first entry, but myself and two other sewists have collaborated and included a Mommy and Me addition to it. So the two sewists that I've collaborated with are Heather from Textile Tailor Thoughts and Rochelle from Rochelle Handmade Designs, and I'll go ahead and link their channels in the description box below. And my Mommy and Me edition features my mother, which is different because most people include their children when they're doing Mommy and Me's, but I wanted to feature my mother. And my mother is a great seamstress, and growing up she sewed all of our clothes, and we were by far the best looking children on Easter Sunday because of all the clothes that she made for us. And she also made bows for our hair, matching bows and purses and you name it. So my mother made her own outfit and I made mine, and we used whichever pattern that we desired. And I will say that I was worried at first while making the outfit that I made for myself, and I used McCall 7755, and I was worried because I didn't like it at all. It just, I don't know, for some reason I just wasn't feeling it. And once I completed it, I tried it on, and let me tell you, I absolutely loved it. I think it was just one of those times where, you know, the whole outfit had to be completed and I had to be dressed all in uniform, earrings, makeup, you name it, just to see it all come together. But I absolutely loved it. And I loved it so much that I didn't want to take it off because I was enjoying it. And I was actually getting ready to meet my husband for lunch, so I just left it on and he loved it too. He actually asked me where I purchased it from, and I was like, really? Like, did you really have to ask that question? But he quickly changed the question to, did you make it? Anyway, here's a sneak peek of me and my outfit during our lunch date, and I will have the full collaboration and challenge video posted here on YouTube on Sunday, and I will also post pictures on Instagram and on my blog, so make sure you stay tuned for that. It's very hard to get my mother to take pictures or to actually get her on video, and I noticed that she's very willing when it comes to the sewing world, and so this is very special to me because these are memories that no one can take from me, and they will be cherished forever. So again, stay tuned for that because that will be posting on Sunday. So the other project that I worked on is Simplicity 8912, which is my second entry for the Sew Maxi for Mother's Day challenge, and I hope to finish that this weekend. I'm thinking probably Sunday because I'm going to be very busy on Saturday. So although Mother's Day is Sunday, the challenge does go through next week, which is the 16th, Sunday the 16th. So there is still time to submit an entry, and I just encourage you to do so because it's a very fun challenge. And I would also encourage you to follow the Sew Maxi for Mother's Day hashtag because there are so many beautiful entries that are just nothing but inspiring. I mean, just beautiful dresses, beautiful fabric, just beauty all over the place. So my next thing is, I have not sewn this, but it is related to sewing, and I have been doing some research on it this week, and that is swimwear. So swimwear has really piqued my interest because I have been watching Madi from Madi Sews, who is the queen of swimwear. I mean, like, she's really been kicking butt with making swimsuits. And I've also been watching Jenny from Jenny Sewing Room, who is also the creator of this hashtag Friday Sews, and Natita of So Natural Dane, and they have all been having conversations in their most recent videos in regards to swimwear. And that's been inspiring to me because I also have fit issues with them, like in the ready to wear one. So that's something that I'm going to be looking into. And so I have been doing some research on it, but I need to continue to do more research on it just to make sure that I'm headed in the right direction. But yes, I am headed down that path. I don't know if it will be this summer or if it'll be off season or whatever, but it's very, very inspiring. And finally, I did finish the video for the lemon dress that I made using Simplicity 9136, and that was the dress that I showed on my very first Friday Sews video last week. Inside of that video, I have video clips and pictures inserted, so if you would like to see that dress with me in it, I will insert a card up below, and I will also put the link to that video in the description box. I absolutely truly love that dress. I was a little uncomfortable in it at first because the bodice and skirt attached lower than my natural waistline, but when I looked on the pattern, it looked the same, so I just figured it was designed that way. Well, I eventually, got over it and it grew on me, and one of my subscribers who actually watched the video commented on the dress and expressed how she loves the dropped waist on me. And I was thinking to myself, like, how do you love clothes and fashion as much as I do but not know the correct terms? That was like such a duh moment. And that's one of the reasons why I love this community and why I love feedback, because we can all help each other. So yes, it is a dropped waist, and I'm surprised that the pattern company did not have that on the description. But I looked at it and it was not on the description, but yes, it's a dropped waist, and that's why I felt weird at first. But I absolutely love it. But other than that, life is great. The family is great. Although I am fine, I do understand that there's still a lot going out in the world outside of sewing. So I just try to keep positive so that I don't get caught up in the negativity of the world. And one day while I was shopping at Meijer not too long ago, I noticed this book on the shelf, and I picked it up because of the title. I thought it would help to encourage positivity and bring the positive reminders and perspectives into the forefront of my brain. And this book is called Think Better, Live Better, and it is written by Pastor Joel Osteen. I am a fan of him, and I truly enjoy reading his books. So maybe that is something that you may enjoy as well. So that is it for my weekly recap for Friday Sews episode 2. I hope you all had a productive week, and again, I will be posting my Sew Maxi for Mother's Day collaboration video on Sunday, so please stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.